Hi everybody, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I am getting back on track with our WIP Wednesdays. I took a step back for a little bit there, but I'm glad to be here and talking to you and catching up. June has been a crazy month. Nasser is 1 year old. You all saw my post. This past Saturday, he turned 1 on June 13th. It was such a fabulous day. Mommy and Daddy got him a little Tykes little car that like you run on the bottom with like Flintstones feet. So that was a lot of fun, and we got to celebrate with our closest friends and family. I posted some pictures from his party on social media, so we had a really great time. But I wanted to talk today about a few things that are coming up in the crochet community, and there's some announcements that I have to make, so I wanted to hop on and say hi. If you are watching, please share a photo if you're on Facebook of what you're working on today, and if you're on YouTube, just type up what you're working on, share with me the projects you're working on. I get so much inspiration from all of you, and I just really love when we all discuss and share. So the discussion, big thing right now is Nickys Homemade Crafts. My girl Nikki over at Nickys Homemade Crafts is hosting the Changing Colors in Crochet event. It is a workshop, webinar, course, all in one thing. So the workshops are over now. I was sharing that frequently last week, but now the course is open, and her course is, I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can get all the information of what her course is. It's Changing Colors in Crochet and different techniques that you can learn on changing color in crochet and making it so much simpler and working your crochet projects so much faster with all the tips and tricks she's going to share with you. I highly recommend it to all of you, and if you're unsatisfied, there is a full guarantee, so you can get your money back if you are not happy with it. But I can guarantee you will benefit from this. It will be, there's workbooks, there's projects, there's different techniques you're going to learn. It's all in the link that I'm going to share with you. So check out Nickys Homemade Crafts Changing Colors in Crochet course. That is such a fun course that she is offering. And I really like working with Nikki, so thank you to everybody who is joining in on this fabulous course that she's hosting. Another thing on my list that I want to share with you is that the end of this month, June 27th and 28th, that Saturday and Sunday, June 27th and 28th, I am hosting an event in my group, YARNutopia World. Sorry, I got so excited I started spitting. But we are having an event, Back to the Basics, in crochet. So we are going back to working with single crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets, those super basic stitches that all crocheters should know. If you are just beginning to crochet, this is the event for you. And even if you are an advanced crocheter, an expert crocheter, I highly recommend joining in. It's always fun. These events are so great. We play games and we have discussions and just check-ins. And I go live on that Sunday, the 28th of June in the event, and we have a nice little chat, so it's a lot of fun. You should join. So I'll put the link to the event in my Facebook group, YARNutopia World, for Back to the Basics weekend event, and you can join there. We have like 45 people joined already, but I want to get all of you involved, so please join. We just have a great time all weekend, and it's all virtual, so you don't have to like go anywhere, and you can check in with us, work on your crochet, go do whatever you need to do that weekend, and come back online and check in with us and see how far we're getting in our crochet projects. So it's not a crochet along. We're just, it's like an unofficial crochet along because we're crocheting together, but you can make whatever you want. So that's what we're doing. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you are there, and I see you there on that weekend. Exciting news, free pattern Friday is this Friday, the 19th. So make sure to join my newsletter and you can get the update on when I have free pattern Friday. I choose one Friday every month. I get to choose, it's totally random, and I send out a newsletter and I share it on my socials on which crochet pattern you can download for free for 24 hours only. So in the 24 hours from Friday to Saturday, 24 hours only, it's you will be able to download one of my crochet patterns PDF files for free on my website, and I'll share the links and everything in the newsletter and share what pattern it's going to be. So make sure to join my newsletter. That is yarnutopia.com/newsletter, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and sign up for my newsletter if you haven't already. That's a big hit and everybody loves that. So I enjoy sharing my love of crochet with all of you. Yeah, Nasser's 1 year. I have this like list on the side. Nasser's a year old. Tell everybody that. Yeah, he's so cute. He's like running. He's chatty, and he knows he's really communicative too. Like he's been talking, like babbling, but we have like our own little language. It's so adorable. So I wish I could have him in here. He's napping, and I was like waiting to film this like after his nap, but it's getting pretty late in the day, so I was like, I gotta talk to my friends on Facebook and YouTube, and he's still sleeping. So I will share some videos of him, and if you follow me on Snapchat, I'm Snapchatting him all the time, so make sure you check out my Snapchat. I'm just YARNutopia on Snapchat or on Instagram. I share on my stories once in a while. He is so cute, and he's getting so big. We're still home though, trying to remain safe and social distancing, and we're doing really well. So that's really good for us. I hope all of you are still remaining safe distances away from everybody and just practicing the precautions when you do go out, if you have to go out. And I still have to say a huge thank you to all of our essential workers. You guys are amazing. And all those on the front lines taking care of all of us out there. That's awesome. And another thing, I just recently started doing an artist feature on Instagram and on my other social platforms. Daily, I've been trying to do it daily or every few days, but I feature a crochet artist that I feel just isn't getting enough like views, and like seeing everybody needs to see their work. I feel like there's so many amazing crochet artists and entrepreneurs, business men and women who are just amazing in their crochet, who should be seen. So I've been using my platform to showcase and spotlight some of these amazing crocheters that I hope that you give a follow or give a like on their pages. I share where you can follow them, mostly on Instagram. There are some incredible designers out there, so make sure you check out my Instagram and check out these other designers that I am featuring. Hopefully I can do more and do it daily. There are just so many amazing artists out there that I just really love, and I just love sharing the love of crochet with all of you. So your feed can be super fabulous if you follow these artists, because then their work will show up in your news feed. And other than that, that was everything I really wanted to share today. I do have new yarn that I've actually been trying lately. We Crochet, if you go to crochet.com, check out We Crochet's yarn. They are so fabulous. I have in my thumbnail, you can see all the yarns that I've been holding up and using. These two are called Brava. Let me get the label here. I don't want to say anything wrong here. Brava, this is worsted weight. Here's the label for this one. And it is like a worsted weight acrylic yarn. It is actually really soft and really nice. I'm actually going to be making, I'm thinking of making like a wall hanging or a mandala style pattern out of this yarn. And I'm going to incorporate this yarn as well. Look at how bright that That's really shockingly bright. This yarn is called Mighty Stitch worsted weight. This is also an acrylic yarn, but it's shinier, it is softer, and yeah, it's a really nice yarn that is from, it says on here, We Crochet. Also, Knit Picks is the website too. So if you go to crochet.com, check out these yarns. I have so many colors, all the colors of the rainbow. I have them all and I love them all, and they're so soft, and so I'm really excited to work with all of these and make a super bright, I'm thinking a wall hanging right now. Yeah, you can get some fabulous yarn. I just started working with it. I know it's been around for a while, but I just got my hands on it and I am in love. So if you can't tell, I love yarn. So I'm really excited to work with this and get a new pattern out to you very soon. But once Nasser wakes up, we're thinking of taking a walk and getting some fresh air. It has been so nice out. We got a little kiddie pool and he's been playing in that quite a bit. So it was just so nice to come on here and finally chat with you after a while. I really miss you guys, and I hope that you all are staying safe and having a good week, and I'll try to check in next week. All right, happy hooking.